Hi, darling. You seem to be very weak. You okay?
Yes.
Sorry.
Yes, I'm so tired. I slept off.
Would you want to come inside the bedroom?
No, I have to go now.
Go?
Yes.
Go to where? No, baby, I don't want you to go. I want you to stay with me a little longer, okay?
You see,
No, there is nothing to say. You know, as funny as it may sound, the truth is that I've fallen in love with you. Yes, I love you so much I can't even hide it anymore. I know it's not right somehow, but that is the truth. I am in love with you. Do you also love me?
Yes. Yes, I'm in love with you too. And I promise to always love you. But please, promise me that you never break my heart.
Never will I.
Are you sure?
Never in this world.
Hey.
You don't know how much I love you.
Yeah.
Oh, baby. You know, I've got so many recipes on how I make food. So I'll just make one for you, then you test.
I think I just had one.
Oh, no, you haven't. you have no idea. Okay, honey, I'll go start, okay? Just be here, you know. Come anywhere now. I'm coming. Oh.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.